this tutorial, you learn where to find the save files in Indiana Jones and the Great Circle on the Xbox app and Xbox Game Pass. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open Users. Open your username folder. Open App Data. If you don't see the folder, click on View, click on Show and select Hidden Items. Open the local folder. Open the Packages folder. Open the Bethesda Software Project Relic folder. Open the System App Data folder. Open the WGS folder. Open the folder with the long number. In here you will find your save files.